Hi everyone, so I'm returning from Central London. I was there at the Nothing store and I got the Nothing Phone 2A, and to top it off I met Mr. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing Company, if you don't know. So they had a event today called the 100. So basically the Nothing Phone 2A is going to be launched on 12th. I mean the delivery will start on the 12th and it will go officially on sale on the 12th of March. But today in the 100 event, basically people can queue up at their store and get the phone. So I did that, and I have also got some complimentary gifts, so I will just show you in the video. But first see the event. Basically I captured a few shots, few video clips to show you the event, and I met Mr. Carl Pei as I mentioned before, and I have posted the image also in this video. So please do like and subscribe this video, and please comment if you have any query about the Nothing Phone 2A. Stay tuned.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! Yay!
Amazing, guys!
You were amazing.
Well done!
You're getting
Yeah.
a ear stick, you're getting a case as well.
Okay.
The phone has a plastic protector pre-applied. I don't know if you want to go for the tempered glass one that we have to upgrade the strength of
Okay.
it. Want to go?
No, that's fine.
good?
I
No
don't
worries. Okay, so that is $349 altogether for me.
All right.
It's ready on there when you are.
Yes. All right, guys. So I have reached home, and this is the merchandise that I got from Nothing today in their London store. So as I mentioned, this was the 100 event. Basically, they had 100 units of Nothing Phone 2A to sell, and it was first come first serve basis. So there was a lot of queue, and as you already saw in the video, and it was a good event. Many people were there. There was excitement in the air, and I met Mr. Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing. So you saw the pic or the selfie that I took with him. He asked me a few questions, and it was nice. As you know, I have been using S24 Ultra. So when I took the selfie, he saw that and he asked me, why are you moving to Nothing? So then I told him it's for my YouTube channel, and yeah, I wanted to try Nothing phone. So it went very well. So now let me show you what we have in this Nothing voucher or Nothing merchandise. So this is the bag, as you see, and this is basically some sort of a promotional cardboard type of thing. This actually resembles the camera cutout on the Nothing Phone 2A. So I think this is just for a promotional activity. So let me show you what are the other things. Alright, so let me see what I can pull out from the bag, from this Nothing bag. So first is this. This is the phone case. So you can see Phone 2A case. So this is the first thing. Then of course the phone itself. The Nothing Phone 2A. It's actually quite unique design of the box. It looks like, I don't know, some movie character, something, Wall-E maybe. It looks like the eyes of Wall-E. Maybe the animation film. But yeah, it's different than Samsung and Apple. Basically, Samsung and Apple just put the cutout of their phone on the pack. It's boring, but this looks a bit refreshing, so to say. And we are not done yet. We have more stuff. There's Nothing ear stick. You can see, yeah, Nothing ear stick. Then they gave a notepad also. Oh, nice. With their branding, of course. The Nothing pad and a Nothing pen. Then some text literature I think nothing is making a foray into the AI themselves. So some we call Perplexity AI answer engine platform. So I'm not sure what it is. I have to find out. So maybe I will make a separate video on what this is and how does it basically compete with the Google Gemini thing that is there on Samsung S24 series and the Pixel series. So let's see that. Then we have some, I think it's an envelope with some card inside. So this was my number in the queue today, number 29. So let me open this and see what is there. Okay, some letter that to congratulate on being one of the first to buy the Nothing Phone 2A, etc. etc. Signed by Mr. Carl Pei himself. Then I think that's it. And this, I don't know what is this. I think it's some sort of sticker or something. Yeah, this is a sticker, just like Apple. You can stick it on anything you want. So this is everything that we got today. So let's now go ahead and do the unboxing. Alright, so I have removed the other stuff and let's do the unboxing. Is a different way of opening the box compared to Samsung and Apple of the Pixels. I don't want to rip the box apart. Let's see. Yes. Okay, keeping the box aside. And this is okay. So this opens like this flip thing. And here is the phone. Let's keep it aside for a bit. What else do we have? We have a USB-C cable and a user guide or manual. Whatever. Then we have this SIM ejector tool. Oh, this is a very different SIM ejector tool. It looks like those nano chips or I don't know that lights, different kind of thing. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, a bit different than the boring, sort of the steel SIM ejector tool that we get with Samsung and Apple. This is a glass and yeah, something different. And that's it. So no charger in the box. Taking a cue from Samsung and Apple. I mean, at this price range, generally phones tend to have the charger, but it is what it is. So let's remove this wrapping. Oh no, that is not what I wanted. I need to take this too. Okay, apparently I have made a mess of this. Anyways, no worries. Yep, not a very pleasant opening experience. Yeah, so let's keep this stuff aside. Here is the phone. Actually quite lightweight because I am used to the Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra. This is quite lightweight. I think it's only about 190 gram or something, and I'm used to phones with like 230, 240, even 260, 70 grams. Here is the back. So I choose the white version because it gives a good contrasty feel. You have this side power button which is black, so it's good in terms of like the contrast it gives when you look at it. Similarly, this side the volume buttons also are black. Nice clicky feeling. Nothing on this side. This is I think the microphone, if you can see. Yeah, this side is just the power button that I showed you previously. This is the speaker grill, USB-C charging port, the SIM slot, and again this microphone. That's it. You have the selfie camera, and on the back is the main thing. The cameras and all these things going around for those glyph design that nothing calls their phone. It is a bit subdued in this version, this Nothing Phone 2a, especially the glyph lighting. I think there is one glyph light here, there is one here, and one here. Only three. I think Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2, the glyph lighting is all around these all around cameras, and I think here also. But it is what it is. This still looks quite different. I mean, certainly, like, people, when they will see this phone, they will say, okay, what kind of phone is that? Because this is transparent. You can see the inside of this. And I don't know what this red thing is, but yeah, it's inside. So the whole phone is plastic. It's not glass. So making it a bit more durable in terms of, like, when basically it cannot break as easily as glass because plastic, but yeah, it can get scratched. I think plastic scratches a bit more easily. Depends on what quality plastic they have put in here. Yeah, so this was my unboxing video, and I will put another video when I have set up this phone, and then we will explore this phone together. I have never used a Nothing Phone 2a, so I mean, never used Nothing Phone as such. So this is my first foray into the Nothing universe. So let's see how does it pan out, and I'll put another video where we can explore the whole phone together. And also I will try out the Nothing ear stick. I've heard good things about it, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, then please do like and subscribe, and please stick around for the next video. Thank you.